right, number 5 says cosine of 7 pi over 4. All right, this says half angle formulas. Half angle. So, JP, I need you to look on your unit circle, find 7 pi over 4, and tell me what the degree is for that. 315. All right, here we go, Charlotte. It says this is the half angle formula. So this is only half of the number that I need to plug in. So if I want to find the full number, I got to double it. Got to times by 2. Somebody times that by 2 for me, please.
630.
630. So I'm going to plug 630 in my half angle formula. So let's write the formula, the half angle formula down off the paper. You're looking for cosine half angle formula. It's right here. Remember, half angle is the one that says x over 2. So it'd be 1 plus cosine of 630 over 2. Type that in, and that should give you the answer. Type it in and see what you get. Question you may have. All right, let's go to 6. You guys should be able to do it. Same kind of problem. All right, it says sine of 19 pi over 12. Gabe, look at the unit circle. Do you see 19 pi over 12 anywhere? Nope. So that means I got to times it by 180 over pi, and I got to make it a degree first. So you guys take your calculator, multiply it, let's see what you get. Remember, if y'all don't want to have the pi's, you could just multiply by 19 over 12 times 180 if you want to. All right, what'd y'all get? Charlotte, I got 285. Now remember, that's only half of the angle that I need, so I got to double that, so I times by 2. I got 570. Now, put that in the half angle formula for sine, put it in your calculator, see what you get. All right, so we got to copy the formula down off your paper. So the formula looks like this. 1 minus cosine of x over 2. Hey, wait a minute. Why does the half angle formula for sine have cosine in it? We don't know. It doesn't matter. It's on your formula sheet. Write it down. Now plug it in your calculator. We'll see what you get. Hey, what you got? Need some help? Sleep? Tyler, what you got? All right, plug it in. Let's see what you get. All you have to do is plug it in your calculator. Right, instead of the x, put 570 right there.
0.9659.
Yeah, 0.9659 is what I got. Same thing. All right, looks like everybody's got the same thing. 0.9659. JP, you good? All right, let's go to number 7 now. All right, from number 7 all the way through the end, guys, this is where y'all have to draw both triangles and label all the sides. All right, Charlotte, you stop me if you get a question, okay? So what we have to do is draw 2 coordinate planes. Guys, I drew them right here above number 7 in that little blank spot. Each problem, it says the triangle has to be in the first quadrant. So first quadrant, cosine of x is 12 over 15. First quadrant, sine of y is 15 over 17. And I'm going to work through these for Charlotte. If you guys know what you're doing, y'all need to go ahead and label all 3 sides of both triangles. You've got to be able to do this step to be able to do the last 10 problems. If you can't label the triangles, you're going to miss the last 10 problems. All right, so Charlotte, what I need you to give me is the formula for cosine. It's at the bottom of your unit circle. I'll tell you what, look on the board right here. You see where it says cosine is x over 1? Yeah, I meant those. So the 1 gets replaced with an r. So really what I have here, Charlotte, 12 goes on the x-axis, 15 goes on the radius. You remember how to find the other side. This is where you got to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So take your calculator, do 15 squared minus 12 squared, and let's see what you get. 15 squared minus 12 squared. Anybody got an answer? 15 squared minus 12 squared. 81, so it's 9. Okay. So when I write 9 down right here on this side, is that going to be a positive 9 or a negative 9? It's going up, so it's positive 9, right? If it's going down, you'd have to write negative 9. Okay. Over here, same thing. This time, though, I've got a different formula, Charlotte. If you look on the board for sine, it says y over 1, so that's y over r. So 15 goes on my y-axis, 17 is my radius. I got to find the missing side by doing the same thing. Take your calculator, do 17 squared minus 15 squared. Yep. All right, everybody good on that step? Got to be able to do that step to do anything else. All right, the next 3 problems are very easy. Number 7, sine of y. All right, this one, Charlotte, is already given for us. Look, they're showing us in the instructions. Sine of y is 15 over 17. So number 7 is already done. All right, let's go to number 8. Flip it over. Now, we're still going to use the triangles that you drew on the front for all the problems on the back. It says cosine of x. Well, Charlotte, again, they've already got that one done for us. They've got cosine of x is 12 over 15. So nothing there I really got to do. Let's go to 9. I've got tangent of y. Okay, this is where you got to think a little bit. All right, Charlotte, do I look at the first triangle or the second triangle? It's got a y, so I look over here. What's the formula for tangent? Look on the board. It says y over x. So you got to make a fraction out of y over x. Y-axis is 15, x-axis is 8. You write 15 over 8. That's it. All right, anybody got a question on 7, 8, and 9? Those are supposed to be easy. All right, I'm going to erase them. Y'all got them? Hopefully in the morning y'all can do one of these sheets by yourself and I won't have to help. All right, so let's go to number 10. Sine of x plus y. JP, find that formula for me for sine of x plus y and read it out for me. I don't have my sheet.
Sine of x plus y equals sine x.
All right.
Sine of y.
All right.
Plus sine of x plus sine of y.
All right. First step, y'all got to make sure y'all see where we got that formula from. Charlotte, do you see where he got that from? Okay. All right, now, yesterday, JP, remember, let's go ahead and write in the answers that they give you. Charlotte, they're giving us cosine of x is 12 over 15. Do I put that in the first, second, third, or fourth parenthesis? Go right here in the third. Y'all put 12 over 15 there. All right, which other one are they giving me? They're giving me sine of y is 15 over 17. Where'd I put that one? Right there. Sine of y, 15 over 17. All right, Tyler, I need you to help me find this one. Which triangle do I look at? First one or second one?
Second one.
It's got an X. So you look at the first one. Remember, guys, are alphabetical order. X, Y. So I look here, Tyler. Formula for sine is y over r. So So y-axis is 9 over 15. Y'all got to put 9 over 15 right there. All right, JP, do this one for me. Which triangle do I look at? Cosine of y. Is that the first triangle or the second? It's got a y, right? So it's the second. All right, the formula for cosine is, check the board, x over r. It says x over 1, so that'd be x over r. So my x is 8, my r is 17. Now all y'all got to do is type that in the calculator. Will it simplify?
No.
It equals, and it. No, it won't simplify. All right, let me check your calculator. You must have typed in the wrong number.
Yeah, I did.
You know what you typed in? Oh, you put times in between the first one and the second one. Okay, that's all right. So what you do wrong?
I put 12 instead of 17.
All right, can I erase 11? We go to 12. All right, let's go to 12. All right, Levi, you got to have a unit circle to be able to do all this. You need me to give you one? We're using the formulas on the back. All right, so number 12 says sine of 2y. Now look, there's not a formula, guys, on your formula sheet for sine of 2y. There is a formula for what? Sine of 2x. It says 2 cosine x sine x. All right, so what's the formula going to be for sine of 2y? 2 cosine y sine of y. Y'all see how I changed? If it's got a y right here, Levi, you got to make these y's instead of x's. That's all I did. You see where the formula is on your sheet? Does Gabe need to show you? Yep. All right, why does that even matter if they're x's or y's? Because it matters, guys, because if it's x's, you look at the first triangle. If it's y's, you got to look at the second. So, Gabe, just like you were saying a minute ago, you already got these written down. You can just look up above. But Levi has got a y. You got to look at this triangle. Okay? Cosine is x over r, so that would be x-axis over 17. Sine is y over r, that would be 15 over 17. And then you just type it in your calculator. All right, times them out. Let's see what we get. All right, again, we got a fraction. My calculator gave me 240 over 289. Everybody good? All right, everybody do 13 by yourself. That one has 3 options. Always use the first one, mark out the second one, the third one. I think you were asleep when we did this yesterday. Cosine 2x, mark out the second, third one, only use the first one. So we got 13 cosine of 2x. All right, first step, I'm going to write my formula down. It says cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Does everybody see where I got that formula from? All right, so we're going to put cosine of x right here. Cosine is 12 over 15. Sine of x is 9 over 15. Now, somebody asked me the other day if we need to simplify these now or later. Doesn't matter. I mean, you can do it either way. I'm going to go ahead and times it in like this, and the calculator should simplify it for me. All right, JP, you see how I got this and this? Do I need to show you again? Good. Now I'm just going to type it in. 12 over 15, got to square it, minus 9 over 15, got to square it. I got 7 over 25. Somebody confirm that for me. It's good. All right, everybody good on 13? Can I erase it? All right, 14. We got tangent of 2y. All right, the formula 2 tan of y over 1 minus tan squared. All right, now on your formula sheet, JP, they don't have 2 tan of y. They've got 2 tan of x. Why did I write a y right there? Because I had a y in my problem. If it's a y here, you write a y in the formula. All right, y'all try that one. See if y'all can figure out where to get the answers from. You know, it's a good time to ask. All right, Gabe, which triangle do I look at? The first one or the second? Second one. Tangent is y over x. Here's your y-axis. Here's your x-axis. Y'all got 15 over 8 there and 15 over 8 there. Plug it in. Fraction. All right, me and Kelly did not get the same answer on that one. I got what Jasmine's got. Elizabeth, what'd you get? All right, so the answer I got when I typed that in, guys, I got negative 240 over 161. Y'all please ask if you got a question where I'm getting this stuff from. All right, can I erase it? Let's go to 15. Sine of y over 2. All right, JP, we got to find that formula off your sheet. Remember, sine. Yeah, that's sine right there. X over 2. Sine is there, but I punched a hole over it. All right, now they don't have y over 2. What's it got? It's got x over 2. So we're going to use that formula. Yeah, I'm just going to put cosine y instead of cosine x. You guys good with that? Okay. So JP, which triangle do I look at to find my answer? First one or second? Second one. It says y. Okay, what's cosine over on that triangle? Cosine, remember, is x over hypotenuse. So it's 8 over 17. So it'll be 1 minus 8 over 17. Square root around the whole thing. All right, type it in.
Cosine 8 over 17.
No, if we can put the fraction in for it, then the cosine's gone. You just type in 8 over 17. Good question.
I got 1, 5.
All right, hang on, I hadn't done it. Let me try it. 1 minus 8 over 17. The bottom is 2. I got 0.5145 if I round up. All right, good. Y'all do 16. Is this stuff easy? Charlotte, were you here Friday before spring break? Yeah? Remember?
What was the date?
I don't know, second.
Yeah.
Now let's see what y'all got on 16. Got cosine of x over 2. Let me copy the formula down. Alright, so that formula is 1 plus cosine of x. But look, they're showing me what cosine of x is. It's 12 over 15 over 2. All I gotta do is type it in. One plus 12 over 15 over 2. 0.9486. I'm gonna round it up to 87, Gabe. All right, so you guys who have been out, y'all probably gonna need one more day on this stuff. You guys who have been here so far, both days this week, y'all should be able to do this by yourself in a minute. Okay. All right, we got a little break now. Take 10 minutes in class. Everybody's got to go to the bathroom. It's a good time to go. And then we'll do some other stuff after break.